जो कि ये आदमी लोहा सिंह बहुत अच्छी तरीके से साक्षात करते हैं। तो ये फिल्म लोहा सिंह के बारे में है, जो असल में कानपुर के रहने वाले हैं और असल में कटियाबाज हैं, और किस तरीके से ये एक तरीके से कानपुर की भी कहानी है। तो कानपुर जैसे कई छोटे शहरों जिन्हें टियर 2 टियर 3 सिटीज का नाम देके अनाथ अपाहिज करके छोड़ दिया जाता है कई जगहों पे, उनकी भी कहानी है कि किस तरीके से ये इस बहुत बड़ी क्राइसिस से जूझ रहे हैं और स्टिल दे कम ऑन टॉप। सो
अबाउट वेयर वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम, फहद की पैदाइश कानपुर की है। हमेशा से चाहते थे कि वहाँ जाके एक फिल्म बनाई जाए। कटियाबाज एक्चुअली हैपेंड, द स्टोरी वाज अबाउट कानपुर, द फिल्म वाज अबाउट द सिटी, बट व्हेन यू गो देयर इज अ टैंगल्ड वेब ऑफ वायर्स, और ये मतलब यू नो दैट देयर इज अ स्टोरी इन देयर, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी वर ट्राइंग टू टेल विद दिस फिल्म।
ग्रेट, ऑलराइट। सो आई एम श्योर आप सभी को कुछ सवाल होंगे, सो प्लीज गो अहेड, वी आर ओपन फॉर Q&A।
फिल्म के प्रोमो हमें देखा, उसमें काफी क्योज है, तो कितना डिफिकल्ट था शूट करना वो सारा?
इट वाज हम 1.5 साल तक कानपुर में थे, तो कंटिन्यूअसली वी वर शूटिंग फॉर 1.5 years. It was really crazy a lot of times, you know. कई बार we were shooting with crowds of 400 people surrounding the film. एक बार तो ऐसा हुआ कि people thought that there was a rumor that we were the crew of Dabangg 2, which was apparently supposed to be shot in Kanpur. So people came up to us and they were demanding ki we want to meet Salman bhai, and we were like, we don't have Salman bhai with us, and they refused to believe us. So it was really interesting, but it was also a lot of interaction with the people in the city itself. You know, sometimes it would get really scary, like when we were in the middle of the riots, when we were in the middle of transformers exploding, etc., etc. But I think the citizens of Kanpur played such a big role in making this movie possible that it's hats off to them.
मेरे पिताजी बिजली विभाग में काम करते थे, मुझे कटिया की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी। लेकिन कटिया मतलब हमारा हिंदुस्तान का एक वो है, हमारा एक कल्चर है कि हमें सब कुछ फ्री चाहिए, और जहाँ पे सब कुछ लोगों को फ्री चाहिए वो बीच में एक प्रोवाइडर भी आता है। तो कटियाबाज जब बिजली की बात होती है, फ्री की बिजली की बात होती है, तो कटियाबाज जो है सबसे अहम इंसान है उसमें, मतलब उसके बिना फिर घर में फ्री में बिजली नहीं आती। लोहा सिंह को मैं पर्दे पे ही साक्षात मिला हूँ, और आप उनको पर्दे पे एक बार मिल लेंगे तो आप भूल नहीं पाएंगे। वो एक ऐसे कैरेक्टर, उनकी जिंदगी की फिलोसफी, थ्योरी, वो अलग किताबें लिख सकते हैं। वो जिस तरह से जिंदगी को देखते हैं और जिस तरह से वो बिजली को देखते हैं, और बिजली से वो जिंदगी के सारे ट्रूथ्स को इंटरप्रेट करते हैं। तो लोहा सिंह अपने आप में एक बहुत ही महान, क्या बोलते हैं, वो चिंतक है। और लोहा सिंह his way of looking at life is something else. His 2 sequences in the film, उसके मामा के साथ जो हैं, वो 2 सीक्वेंस में आपको जिंदगी का सारा निचोड़ मिल जाता है।
Hi Anurag. This question is basically obviously everyone knows that in North India electricity का बहुत बड़ा problem है, वहाँ पर लोग face कर रहे हैं. So somewhere obviously this film is trying to create an awareness. But what about business? These kind of films generally, you know, you can't count numbers and box office collections and all of that. Being a producer, how risky and why did you think of putting your money on a film like this?
See, इस फिल्म को बनाने में जितना पैसा डालना था वो डाल चुके थे। हम उसको पूरी तरह से पीछे लग के रिलीज करवाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। सी, इस तरह की जो फिल्में हैं बहुत जरूरी हैं हमारे समाज के लिए। एंड आई थिंक इफ अ फिल्म इज वेरी गुड इट विल रीच आउट, एंड आई थिंक कटियाबाज is a much more interesting film than many fiction movies I've seen. It moves like a thriller. It actually moves like a suspense thriller. एक हीरो है, एक विलन है, वो आपको तय करना आपका हीरो कौन है, विलन कौन है। इस तरह की फिल्म है ये। मतलब ये लिटरली ये फिल्म जो है अमिताभ बच्चन धर्मेंद्र है, और ये फिल्म वैसे मूव करती है। It's like a suspense film, and it is you can't write a script like this. This is much more dramatic and much more interesting and funnier than any fiction film that I have seen. और इस तरह की फिल्म आप देखोगे तो आप अपने आप ही बोलोगे यार ये क्यों नहीं लोग बनाते हैं, क्यों नहीं लिखते हैं। और जब इस तरह की फिल्म बन के सामने आती है So the film gives you enough strength to have that confidence and go out and take that risk. It all comes from the film. हमने last time भी जो 2-3 documentaries की थी, सब लोग बोल रहे थे चलेगी नहीं चलेगी. They all worked. So it's not that, and this for me has to take it even more further, because you know ये सारे जो है रास्ते खोद रहे हैं. आज से 3 साल बाद जो डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाएंगे वो इन सब के फायदे उठाएंगे. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो शुरुआत होनी जरूरी है.
Right. This question is for you, Fahad and Dipti. There are some political, emblem and the references there about the parties. You think somewhere the problem is associated with these parties, or it's just the reference you wanted to kind of put?
We've been quite even-handed. We covered the UP state elections in 2012, so the trailer has one side, but there's a lot of political representation throughout the film. I think the problem is more with governance and bureaucracy in general. I don't think we've been partisan in saying this one or that one. And like Anurag just said, you kind of have to decide who the hero is and who the villain is, because everything happens in shades of grey. इसमें लोग सही हैं या गलत हैं कि वो बिजली चोरी कर रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट सही है या गलत है कि वो प्रोवाइड नहीं करती है. The ultimate decision is up to you.
Alright, this is a question for the filmmakers again. Like Anurag said, you guys had already put in the money that you kind of had to put in to make the whole movie. When and how did Anurag and Phantom come on board?
I think it was earlier this year when Vikram saw the film. We did a small screening in Bombay, and Vikram came for that screening, and it was really cool. Right after the film, he just said that they wanted to be a part of it, and for us there was nothing better, because such a visionary bunch of filmmakers to be a part of that was just so exciting and amazing for us.
Right, and this question for Anurag. Anurag, when this movie is sort of pervading into the documentary space again, and we know Nisha Pahuja's The World Before Her did make a sort of mark in the metros that it was released in. So this is you taking another step ahead in that direction?
It is strange that everybody within our group was simultaneously thinking about other things to take that thing. While I was working with Nisha Pahuja, he was working on Katya Baz. So it is a question for him to answer. But the thing is, I really feel that it's always a slow process, but it's high time we start going beyond what we are used to watching. And if you see, starting with Superman of Malegaon, Fire in the Blood that PVR Ray released, and everything, with each one there is a number of audiences increasing. And I hope there will come a time when people will go in and make more documentaries, because you would not, before seeing this movie, I would not have thought of it as a subject. And what it also does is it inspires you to look into those things that are part of your everyday life that you tend to ignore, and see that I look there and I say, oh, there's a story there, and there's a story there, and those are the stories we don't tell. We tell the same story over and over again. And documentaries the world over actually are today much more powerful, much better storytelling than most fiction films. And I think it's important that we all just step out there and let people see. अभी वो दिन चले गए जब हम लोग कृषि दर्शन देख के सो जाते थे. I think the documentaries are finding much more interesting ways of telling the story.
I mean, it's actually exactly what Anurag said. I think the fact that we want to go out there and as a company, because maybe and maybe not, we're in a position to sort of support it. We want to go out there and support all kinds of movies. I think the fact that the audience has a choice to go out there and watch not just the average film, but a film that's far more entertaining, far more engaging. As like he said, it's like a thriller. You can't really choose right and wrong, but you're sort of entertained and engaged throughout the entire. It's a wonderful film, and that's exactly why I said let's just put put our muscle behind it, whatever we can, and put it out there. And we're very proud of the film, and I think they made a fantastic film.
Another question for Anurag. Anurag, you said you grew up in the part of the country where this film is basically based out of, and your father worked in the state electricity department. Any certain peculiar